can you be so blessed and not be grateful to the Lord? Paano nangyari na pinagpala ka ng Diyos? Paano nangyari na binigyan ka niya ng trabaho? Paano nangyari na binigyan ka niya ng anak? Paano nangyari na hindi ka nauubusan ng pagkain sa refrigerator mo? Paano nangyari na limang beses ka kumakain sa isang araw? Paano nangyari na hindi ka nawawalan ng trabaho and yet you're still ungrateful? How can you receive such blessing from the Lord and still be silent about it? How can you be so blessed and not be vocal about it? You know, every Sunday that we come to church, lagi namin sinasabi sa iyo, let's praise the Lord. Let's give thanks to the Lord. Not to manipulate you to praise, not to manipulate you to give, not to manipulate you to give that thanks to the Lord. Because ang thanksgiving, o ang pamumuhay ng pagpapasalamat, you cannot manufacture it sa buhay niya. Hindi bigay ko sa ito, pasalamatan mo ang Panginoon. You cannot do that. But what we can do is this. When we say praise the Lord, we are reminding you, pinapaalala po namin sa inyo, na tignan po ninyo ang inyong buhay. Look at your life and see all the great things that God has done in your life. Na kung paano ka nakarating sa tagpong ito. Na noong 2020, akala mo hindi ka makakasurvive. Noong 2021, takot na takot ka sa second wave ng COVID. Na noong 2022, hirap na hirap kang ibalik yung negosyo mo. Noong 2023, muntik na malugi ito. Pero noong 2024, nandito ka pa rin. At ngayon, September 1 na, Merry Christmas na naman. Mag-Happy New Year na naman tayo. And you're still alive. You're still here.